Queridos amigos, many of you beg to hear the tale of how Puss in Boots conquered his darkest of enemies. Today, I will tell you... I said, today, I will tell you how I conquered the darkest of... Excuse me. I think this is what we call in the kitty world a hiccup. It shall pass. Okay, I think I am finished. Almost done. Oh, no, this is ridiculous. I am Puss in Boots. Oh. Prepare yourself